Are you a content creator who uses your phone to record and you want to use the back camera because it's better quality, but you can't see yourself? I got a Dollar Tree hack for you. It's super easy, it's compact, you don't have to lug any mirrors around or do any casting or nothing, and it's hella cheap, baby. Without any further ado, let's hop into it.
It's Craftletics.
Alright, so here's what you're gonna need: zip ties, a skimmer, and a mirror. Okay, first we can take our mirror handle and place it through our skimmer like this. Next, we can take our handle and zip tie it to our skimmer. I zip tied the bottom and the top of my handle. Okay, next you want to bend your skimmer handle away from you at the bottom and towards you at the top. Alright, and when you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, finally we can zip tie it to our tripod or our ring light, and bam! Now you can see yourself. Now I know it ain't pretty, but hey, it does the trick, and it only costs you $3.75, right? We ain't breaking the bank with this. Alright, now if you like this video, please consider hitting that like and that share button. Head over to the Craftletics Facebook page where we post some updates on DIY and craft videos, not just on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. We also on TikTok. Wherever we are, you just gotta look for us, alright? And like that, this will be the end. Peace.